An investigation is ongoing into how a man reportedly of unsound mind was able to get access to the keys of a police unit and subsequently drove off with and crashed the vehicle. No one was injured in the crash. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
A rear tire ripped to shreds and torn off. Another tire twisted inwards and major indentation to the body. Just some of the damage observed on this police unit. This service vehicle was damaged on Friday, but not while officers were serving and protecting. Instead, a man said to be of unsound mind took the unit for a joyride. The ride, though, was not very joyous for taxpayers in the end, as it eventually crashed along the Kalina Main Road in this wall and a utility pole. The vehicle, a grey Mitsubishi L200 motor truck, likely to be out of service for repairs for a long time, if not forever. It is reported that the man went to the police station sometime after 3 Friday morning, grabbed the keys, started the vehicle and sped off. The driver was eventually apprehended. He did not sustain any major injury as a result of the crash. There was no report of any other motorists being injured or their vehicle being damaged as a result of the incident. The incident is being investigated by the police. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.